Hola, howdy, hello. So, greetings, folks. This is Sarana Naranamurthy here to talk about the mind business. So, after a long week of hustle and rally, today here I am giving you a refreshing start. Yes, the topic we're going to deal about today is start. So, we all have dreams, we all have plans, we all have ambitions. Okay, so when was the first time you had a dream? Or the first time you made a plan? Or when was the first time you wanted something really badly? Okay, so when was the first time you started something? When was the first time you really started to do something? Thinking, right? Okay, so the word start is more of a miracle. Many people nowadays aren't afraid to work. Even they aren't even afraid to fail. But most of us are just afraid to start. We all are ready to sink in an old rented apartment than to go in search of a new one. We're all ready to just get into a depressing relationship than to practice to move on and walk ahead. People are really getting dumped into a boring 9 to 5 job that takes their entire life than to venture out to start something new. We have known about this for many days. A known devil is better than an unknown angel. So this old thought is what keeps us broke and what keeps us stagnated in the one place while the whole world revolves around us and reforms. Okay, so in what way do you think staying broke will be better than succeeding? Being broke is okay, but staying poor isn't. The day we feel we deserve more, the way we become broke for the good. Staying contented is the greatest betrayal you can do to yourself. The best way to help yourself and the best way to improve your standard of living is to ask for more and more. The one daily essence which we would need is the urge of inspiration to start. We spend most of our lives waiting for the right time to start. In reality, the right time is right now. Not because it is Saturday or because the astrologer says so, but because we think we can do it. The moment you think or the moment you desire to want something is the moment you really want to start working for it. Start young, start soon, so that you will have more time to fall down and get up. Start now, so that this moment is the youngest you can ever be in your upcoming life. So start now. Start and experience, even start and fail. When you live your life, you won't have regrets. But start right now so that the great life opens up to a newer horizon and enhances all our better standards of living. Procrastination is never the key to success. Start and live life king size. So with this, let me end this podcast session and just wishing you a great and refreshing start. Bye bye.